Hello everyone, today at the Hitch House we are taking a look at an awesome A-Class gas motorhome, the 2021 Miramar 35.2 by Thor Motor Coach. All 2021 Miramars are built on a Ford chassis, but this one comes outfitted with the new 7.3 liter Triton V8 engine, providing 350 horsepower and 460 pounds of torque. The 35.2 also comes packed with plenty of storage for you to keep all of your adventure gear, and as much as you like to, we ask you to refrain from keeping any children or grandchildren inside the storage compartments. The 35.2 comes with a great looking full body paint job and has two slide outs, a driver's slide and a massive passenger side full wall slide out. Other exterior features on the Miramar include an exterior entertainment system with Bluetooth soundbar so you can catch the game outside, a 5.5 kilowatt Onan generator, and did someone say solar power? All 2021 Miramars come standard with a 100 watt solar charging system and power controller. You will also find the Miramar comes equipped with an 1800 watt inverter and a 4G Winegard ConnecT WiFi extender. As you head into the Miramar 35.2, you are first greeted with a stunning interior not normally found in gas coaches. Full of all the amenities of home, like theater seating and high gloss cabinetry, traveling in the Miramar isn't what we call roughing it. In the kitchen, you will have plenty of counter space to cook on the road with solid surface countertops. You will also find a custom backsplash and stainless steel sink. The Miramar is also equipped with 2 gas burners and an induction cooktop to prepare a range of meals. The kitchen is also equipped with stainless steel microwave, convection oven combo, and refrigerator by Contour, featuring energy efficient technology to reduce your carbon footprint while traveling. Across from the kitchen, we have a large LED TV and the dining area, featuring an amazing Euro dinette sleeper combo, providing you with extra room for guests. Beside the dinette, you have the second sleeping area, the luxurious sofa bed, that easily converts into a 2-person sleeping setup. Now that looks comfortable. As you enter the bedroom, you see an LED TV, perfect for watching the morning news or catching a flick before bed. Plus, tons of storage surrounded by more high gloss cabinetry. You will also have a comfortable sleep every time on the king-size bed with tilt-a-view inclining bed mechanism. On our way back out to the front of the coach, you will find the 2-piece bathroom, featuring a vanity with a stainless steel sink and mirror. Of course, our favorite part, the toilet, and an amazing stand-up shower with skylight. In the cab area, you will find extremely comfortable captain's chairs, a 10-inch touchscreen dash radio with Bluetooth, navigation, and backup monitor, giving you a little peace of mind when backing into those tight spots. If you enjoyed this video and would like some more information on the Miramar 35.2 or any of our other models, please give us a call at 1-800-378-7118 to schedule your in-person walkthrough or set up a virtual appointment. Stay safe out there, everyone, and we look forward to seeing you soon.